welcome back. So in this video we're going to show you how to bake texture maps inside of Blender. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do, I have these procedural hexagonal tiles. The first thing we need to do is to change to cycles, because it only works on this render engine. You can reduce the samples to 10. We don't need too much when we bake. So the first map we're going to bake is the diffuse. So for that I'm going to add an image texture. Place it around here. You can copy this name. Let me just enable the screencast keys so you can follow along. Hit new, paste the name and click and drag these two slots, and I'm going with 2K texture. You can choose whatever dimension you like. So let me open a new window. For this top one I'll choose the image editor, and let's choose the hexagonal tiles texture, the image that we just created. Now for the diffuse, just some important points here. We're going to set the color space to RGB, and the metallic you need to set it to 0. Even if you have a metallic to 1, you need to set to 0. Okay, and you also need to uncheck direct and interact. This is the lights of our scene. We don't need to bake those, so uncheck. Click the plane, click the image texture, and now you can hit bake, and this will bake the first texture map, the diffuse or the color map. Just wait a few seconds. Here it is. So now go to image and save as. I'm going to rename this to diffuse, and you can save this one as a PNG or whatever you like. I'm choosing PNG. So the diffuse, it's done. Now for the roughness, or the metallic, even if you don't have a metallic, you can bake as well. You need to set this to 0. 0 means no metallic. And you need to choose, you don't have metallic here, so you're going to use emit. And now change to the render preview and Ctrl Shift and click the RGB. You need to have the node wrangle activated, so go to Edit Preferences, Add-ons, and check if the node wrangle is enabled. Another important thing, the color space set to non-color, since this is just black. Now select the plane, select the image texture, and hit bake. Just wait a few seconds. Here we have our image save as. Call this one metallic. Save as image. You can delete this RGB node and Ctrl Shift and click the Principal BSDF, so we can preview the material. Now for the roughness, we have the roughness here. Not much to do. Just click the plane and the image texture and hit bake. It's always the same process. Make sure the color space is also non-color. Let's save this image and call this one roughness. and save as image. Next one is the normal map. We have the normal here. Set it to non-color as well. Just click the plane, click the image texture and hit bake. Here we have it. Save as normal. Now I have one more here, is the displacement map. So for this one, I'm going to add a color ramp here, just after the displacement. And just Ctrl Shift and click the color ramp. And we use the emit once again. As you can see, we have already our displacement map. Click the image texture, non-color, click the plane and hit bake. So that's it. If you have any questions, just drop a comment below. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you on the next one. So bye.